Adding teachers to a class. Adding a new teacher to a class.
When a new teacher is created, they need to be allocated a class. If the class doesn't exist, then create it first. A teacher can be a member of more than one class. There's no limit to how many classes they can be a member of. Select View Students from the My Classes menu. Select the three dots on the top right and click Share. Use the plus icon in the top right to add new users. Click Add New User to add a new teacher. Enter the teacher's email, first name and last name. Give the teacher view and edit access and verify the settings by selecting the checkbox. Click Grant to grant the teacher access to the class.
Add an existing teacher to a class.
Again, select View Students from the My Classes menu. Select the three dots on the top right and click Share. Click the plus icon in the top right. Search for the teacher and then select the checkbox next to their name. Give the teacher view and edit access. Click Grant to grant the teacher access to the class.